This is Rusty the Raindrop.
Hi, I'm Rusty.
Today, Rusty's going to teach you about the water cycle.
I am? What's a water cycle?
Hold your horses, Rusty. We're just about ready to start our journey into the water cycle, and then you'll know.
Well, alright, but I have a few questions first.
Great! You can ask me anything.
Okay, well, is this gonna hurt?
No, Rusty. You will be changing into different forms of water, but you're still the same old Rusty.
Good, because I hate when things hurt. I guess I'll do it.
Okay, Rusty, are you ready to start?
Yes, ma'am!
In a few seconds, you'll start your journey and you'll begin to feel a little bit lighter. And then you'll begin floating slowly into the air.
I get to fly?
Yes, Rusty, you get to fly.
I think I'm starting to feel it. Look at my feet aren't even touching the ground. What is that called again?
Great question, Rusty. The first part of your journey into the water cycle is called evaporation. Evaporation is when the sun heats the water in rivers, lakes, or the ocean and turns it into vapor or steam. The water vapor or steam leaves the river, lake, or ocean and goes into the air just like you are.
Okay, evaporation is fun, but I kind of miss my friends.
Well, you're in luck, because the next part of the water cycle is called condensation, and your friends will meet you there.
What do you mean?
Condensation is a step where you and all your friends who turned into water vapor gets colder, changes back into a liquid form, and creates a cloud together.
Hi guys, it's so good to see you. How's your journey been? I am having so much fun learning about the water cycle. We're having fun
too, especially now that we're together.
I'm having a lot of fun, but it's getting cold up here. How come it's getting so cold?
Well, now that there's so many of you in the cloud, it's starting to get too heavy, and pretty soon you'll start precipitating.
What's precipitation?
Precipitation occurs when so much water has condensed that the air cannot hold anymore. The clouds get heavy and the water falls back to earth in the form of rain or snow.
Does that mean it's going to get warmer?
Yes, Rusty. Now say goodbye to your friends before you start the last part of your journey.
Bye guys, have a good fall! I have another question. How come my friends in that cloud look different than me?
Another great question, Rusty. The temperature on that cloud is much colder than on your cloud, so they are turning into snow instead of rain.
Well, I'm glad I'm not on that cloud. It's cold enough over here.
Are you ready to start precipitating, Rusty?
Yep, here we go! This is the best part of the water cycle. I'm headed right back where I started. Thank goodness, it's warm again.
So how did you like your journey, Rusty?
It was so much fun, and I learned a lot.
Good! I bet everyone else learned a lot too. Do you mind if I ask you a few questions?
Sure, I've asked plenty.
What is evaporation?
That's a tough one. I think that's where I was flying into the air and I turned into water vapor.
That's right, Rusty. Do you remember what came next?
Condensation, but I really don't remember what that was. Just that my friends were there. Do you remember what it was, students? Oh yeah, you guys were paying attention.
Yes, they were. Okay, students, here's a bonus question. Do you remember the last part of the water cycle? That's right, precipitation. What's precipitation, Rusty?
precipitation is a fun part where the cloud gets too heavy from me and all my friends and we fall from the sky as rain or snow.
Very good! You all learned so much about the water cycle.
Yes, we did. The water cycle is so much fun. Thanks for teaching it to us. See you guys later.